Welcome back. We've done with the remote data source, repository, and the view model. Now let's move to the view part. In this part, we're going to design our activity, layouts, and display the data into UI components. I'll start with the main activity. So go to the layout, activity underscore main, and I'll go to the split mode and I'll start designing my layout. In this example and in this app, I'll use data binding. So for that, I need to enable it in the build.gradle.kts, and here in the Android scoop, I need to add build features and enable data binding. Sync now, then move to the activity underscore main, and here I'll start adding the layout tag. So layout, move this layout tag. And this is good. Now I'll move these namespaces and add them here to the layout. And as a part of our layout, I'll create inside a drawable a new drawable resource file. This will act as a background for our layout. So I'll name it as gradient underscore back. And we talked about these drawable shapes. I transform it into the shape, and here I need to specify the Android shape attribute as rectangular. Then I need to add the gradient. This is my color, gradient color, and I'll use the corner. I talked about these shapes in the previous videos, so please go back to the drawables lesson to learn more. I'll use this background here, so I'll specify background attribute to add the drawable gradient back, and this is good. Now let's start designing our views. I'll change this hello world to a title, so I'll make it as quiz app. I'll give it an ID. Text view 2, margin 200 dp, size 72 sp, and I remove button to button. Okay, so this is our quiz app. Style would be bold, and the text color this color. Okay, this is our first text view. The second view is a text view. So since our app is a multiple choice, I'll use a radio group. So again, guys, if you have any doubt, please refer to the previous sections to learn about the radio group and radio buttons. Inside this radio group, I'll include 4 radio buttons, allowing the user to only choose one correct answer. Then outside this radio group and under it, I'll create another view of type button. Wrap content, its ID is btn button next. And the last widget is the text view. And here we go. This is our layout. Congratulations, guys. Also, you can get the layout.xml files in the resources folder under this section. So if you want to skip the layout, just copy and paste it. You can do it by getting the resource folder